here we are. We got 2 knights fighting. I wanted to draw this for a little while, and I finally found a picture off Pinterest to draw after. But yeah, I like this right here. It took quite a while, about an hour and 50 minutes to complete. But I started out with mechanical pencil, and about 3/4 of the way done, I run out of lead in the mechanical pencil, so I just switched over to a regular pencil. And for the final detail, I used the 6B for the ultra dark, like in the around the legs and the shadows around the arms and everything, the helmet right here. But yeah, I like that. Now I reckon them are maces or whatever. They're swinging at each other. That's what one looks like. You see up close, and the other one's swinging at, and he's gonna make first contact. But I like that detail I was able to get with him. All this right here. It'll look pretty good. The armor and all that. The leggings and the armor on the legs and the feet. I like how dark I was able to get that with the 6B pencil on his legs right here. And also his opponent's legs. Yeah, so that was fun. Anyway, we're back on that. That was fun. Hour and 50 minutes to complete. So, thank you for watching. And, we'll talk later. Alright, it's Brad, All American. Signing out. Bye.